It's all right. Everything is going to be fine.
La da da, I feel so wonderful. La da dee da.
I like another one, sorry. I'm so glad we decided to come here, and this juice is incredible.
Me too.
Best afternoon break ever.
I have an idea. Hey, this is...
No, my hair, it's all falling out. What is happening to me? I can't take it anymore. I just can't.
I still love you, and don't worry, I like you without hair.
Look at her skin, it's covered in spots.
She looks like a reverse Dalmatian.